Black is beauty, power, strength, knowledge. Black is love. Black is everything. We are going with the grain of the wood. If you see the owner for the sound, hands on, you know. Yeah. Open the box of money in your box. Me I say, what I have to call him instantly. Yo, what this for? The song bad, people. The song bad.
Yeah, laptop man, who want to come jump on man, so they work on him on the front.
Yeah, yeah, action sound. Yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa. Desire to get to higher life, it's an open road. Desire to get to higher, don't limit it, yeah, go about. Desire to get to higher life, it's an open road. Life is a subject, not an object, a full control.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Alright, here we now. The video you guys are about to watch is me and Danny Paul, both of us sanding down the boxes. Now, when I go see Danny Paul, I do all of the work. But he must really and truly him come sand the box them and so forth. Me now, me just what I was doing in the background. If you're gonna see me cutting out and making some things in the background. What I'm doing is I'm making the templates for the handle and the back plate. I'm making the template so I can route out so they can sit flush when I install them, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna make a little groove within the boxes so the back plate and the handles can sit down within that groove so it can be flush with the wood once I install them. So that's what I am doing. So it might seem like me not really do nothing, but me I do something. And Danny Paul I do the hard labor now, and him a sand down the box, even though the sander them are electrical sander, him a do the hard work. I will it for work, trust me. So I love that video because if you see the owner for the sound hands on, you know, I get involved and you understand, get down them elbow with sawdust and them thing there. Yo, I love it. I love it. I not lie. But before I go into that video there, we talk about a song now. We tell them from what they say, we get some songs from a producer and I push them out. We like them. And the one you know, I know him produce a song but I'm bridging them and him say, yo, put it out there for me. And I say, alright, no problem, we'll do that. So, but DJ Spain, big up yourself. The song them solid. The female artist vocal strong. The party bass, you understand, lyrically, him have it too. You see me I say so, I love the song, the two songs, I love them. Them full of vibes, I love them and them send a message and the message strong. See? And you see that song what I'm going to introduce them to now, it send a message too. And a message is strong too. That's why I say I'm going to throw in a one or two in people. Yeah man. That's why I say I'm going to throw in a one because it send a message and a message is strong. See? So that song you know is a group. The group name Rockers Element. Let me make sure I have the name right. Yeah man. The group name Rockers Element. Saying and the song name Black is Everything. Now when I spoke with the producer, him said this song was written after what happened to George Floyd. You understand? So remember George Floyd, the youth where police them stung down him neck and him end up pass away. After that, everybody started come out, Black Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter. Remember that? Yeah, so that song come around them time there. And it have a strong message, people. So, whether you're black or you're white, when you believe in equality, you not gonna like that one here too. Just like how I like that one here. So anyway, let me dive down into that song now. And once again, you know, listen to the words. Listen to the words. See it? Alright. song, wanna hear the lyrics. Black is you, black is me, black is him, black is she, black is everything. You understand? Black is beauty, black is knowledge, black is strength. Wanna hear the lyrics? Yeah, what you gonna say to the youth when you take another black man life, you know? You wanna hear the lyrics? Song bad. Song bad. So, I'm gonna play it again, but this time I put in the bass sound, you hear the rhythm, and here we are going. Can I have a little hip hop flavor to it, you know? I love it, man. I love it, I love it, I love it. So people, listen up. What you gonna tell the child when you take another black man life? How much youths are gonna die by the hands of white? Eh? How many black youths are gonna die to the hands of white? Black is beauty, power, strength, knowledge. Black is love. Black is everything. Song bad people. Man say long time them a say if you're white, you're alright. But if you're black, if you stay in at the back. The song bad, people, the song bad. The man said, Jaja, protect me. Me see a lot of protests. You understand? Song bad. Song bad. The man said black means king, black means queen, black means you and me, black means everything. Jaja. Song bad. Song bad.
Mighty action song, man.
Mighty action, the big song.
Mighty action! Mighty action! Mighty action with pump action!
Action! Action! Action!
Mighty action.
Mighty action! Mighty action! Mighty
So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna play that song, yeah? And then I'll just cut straight to the video after the scene. So, yeah, them who are watch the Box Bill series, enjoy. We're coming close to the end now. So, enjoy. See?
Mighty action with the pump action. Mighty action with the pump action.
That's your life.
People, Spanish sound artists, them big up yourself. Rockers, element, think called black is everything. Sing along, people. Help on him. I can't get a break because I'm in element. Or the melanin. Black is everything. Come on. Look out for the song. Song called Black is Everything. Seeing it's done by Rockers Elements. It's a group. Rockers Elements. See? Enjoy the video then, people.
Mighty action, the big sound.
The big sound.
vacuum and you try it without it. Eh? I said, let me take off the vacuum and you do it without it. Okay. Does not kill you. Oh, okay. Does not kill you. I'm going to tell you this one. Like this? You like it?
What?
The vacuum and everything, man.
Yeah, man, okay, system, man.
Eh?
So how am you into this? When it full?
Yeah, when it full, it take long to full, man.
Okay.
Just roll it go in the back. Don't put it in the hand. I said that's more messy, but
I go with the grain of the wolf. You know where I go. I'm a good man. Eh? Good, understand that. You love it, man. That's why I'm saying, yo, don't use the small one out there, so use the one there. Hey, bad man. Small one when you press hard on it, you get stuck. Yeah.
You might want to tape in. Yeah. You know, I'll go a little more. Alright, I'm going to start running. Run down. Run down, go. Let me do something. I want to go down too far. Do that again. When you run down too far, it starts to tear up. No, come on. Good? Good, yeah. YouTube about the flash drive where you give me, you know.
Yeah? You know?
What? Now tell YouTube about the thumb drive where you give me the idea. Afterwards, there's a shit in the show.
I'm really happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we found it. You put the fire, you might not have anything to put in the back. Not too much work, but
People will know I'm myself. I know. Last one, I'm not getting them, you feel let me know.
okay. That's it.
Tell him, say, now the time to do it, that's why I'm going to give you the job.
Okay.
You did it! Yeah.
Hard work.
Eh?
Hard work.
Simple man.
I laptop my own come jump on man, so I jump on free. They were working on the first. My laptop DJ them. My laptop sound man.
I will give me a build sound.
Yeah.
I believe a couple of times alone, a couple of them come here and paint.
I'm here.
That's it.
Yeah.
All I work we have to do, they never get a part time.
Now come.
We want it for mine.
Working hard, my busy work.
Now you know what's box building here?
Yeah?
You know what's Peter box building here?
Yeah.
No speaker box building here, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Maybe once or twice.
Yeah.
Some of them man they come.
Yeah.
They come paint and that's it.
Yeah.
Alright. Keep my load.
Yeah.
Come on, keep my load coming. I'm here. Come on. I want to see them work. We use the big sand now and do it more side, but
Yeah.
when we first start, a paper sandpaper we used to buy,
Okay.
and then we get the first one we use. Yeah, we get that one there,
Okay.
and then Phil say, "What you have to do?"
Yeah.
And bring one big one come here. I want to see. Say,
It's a easy.
eh?
It's a easy.
Yeah, I want to say, just go right to Amazon and buy one.
Yeah.
Say, no, sir.
Herb smart man.
Yeah. And see you, man.
Herb smart. It's a easy thing.
Eh?
It's a easy.
Yeah.
And something I work out too. Like that.
Think of them this, you know. Think of them that. Gentle folks, one thing. Think of them this thing. Think of them that, Danny. Just go and put on the angle them now and paint them.
Get some tomorrow, sure.
Paint at them. Tomorrow we just cut in the yard of them. When they come in, just paint. I don't know what you want to paint them, but now I'm going to paint the bottom first.
Okay.
Usually turn it by the top.
Yeah.
Paint the bottom and everything on the side and everywhere. And then you flip it over when the bottom dry and paint the top.
Okay.
That's what I normally do.
Anything is a bird.
Eh?
Anything is a they have glass. It doesn't help.
And once you paint the bottom
Yeah.
and the bottom dry,
Okay.
you can even put on the rubber legs then now and then turn it
Alright.
over.
Yeah.
That's what I normally do.
Okay.
As long as it's flat. When the grill go down, point one stone.
Yeah.
Alright folks, there's a 1/4 inch lip right here, so there's a little 1/4 inch lip so the grill can sit on it all the way. So when you look, it's going to be one big grill all over the face side. Yep. What's up, everybody? Well, me don't say we, but not we. Danny Paul.
Yeah.
Him just finished sanding all of the Boston. Me that supervise still, you see me? But me have a story me have to tell him. Yeah, boy, helper. By the way, I feel inbox them no people, I feel inbox them. All of them belong to him. Yeah. So I just help me help him with them. And you know, I tell him say me I help him. I have a story for him. I tell him say me I help him. I tell him say me I help him, right? And him come and him say, how much you charge me for do the box? I say, yo, I'm not charge you, you know. Yeah, one hand wash the other. Me I help you. You always help me.
Yeah, man.
This man leave and go about a week later, this man called me and I say, yo, where me there? Me there home sick. Me sick, you know, and never feel good. And the man say, "Ma come check me." Man come and left one box, and on the box right thumb drive. So when me get the box down, me I say, wait, where? Me see thumb drive on it.
That's small box and right back to the thumb drive.
Yeah. I put the camera for you, know. So the man give me a box mark thumb drive and me I say, thumb drive, what any part I give me thumb drive for? So me I say, open the box up, me see what in the box. People, when we open the box, guess what in it? Man, put money in the box, man, and write thumb drive on the box, man. Let me ask man, why you do that here, you know? Yeah. Tell him what you say, man.
You know, people. Him say me no give him no money, so me say that's the only way me can trick him. Put the money in the box and just write for him say thumb drive. That's the only way we can get him.
In case me good with that one there, I not lie, because me I think you know say yo maybe a dub plate, maybe you know. When you give me the thumb drive, what you say? How you say?
Yeah.
Happy birthday or Merry Christmas. What do you
Yeah.
say? What you say? Merry Christmas, you say?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, him say Merry Christmas. So me I say, wait, I don't play the man by me. Open the box some money in the box. Me I say, I have to call him instantly. Yo, what this for? Yeah, man, say no, man. Oh, yourself, man.
Hope hard work, brother. Hope hard work.
Nah, man, one and watch the other, man. That's what I say, man. But,
Hard work.
what's in the people? Fully sand. Fill out and everything. Only thing left here now is to just cut out the handle them and cut out the plate for the back plate them. And paint them, and then start dress them up, put on the stand them, load them up with speaker, wire them up, and then slap on the grill on them. I tell you already, one big grill I go all the way up on the front. See? So you know I can't see no. We even cover all the port. So you know I can't see nothing. You see what I say? But we almost reach at the end of the road. Well, halfway, car. Wiring this thing now and you know, wiring it up and loading up the speaker now is another task, you know. And then now we have to send go we are Jersey for grill them for this. But on stay tuned, we'll it more coming. See the Starfish show today.
Yeah, action sound. Yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa. Desire to get to higher. Life it's an open road. Desire to get to higher. Don't limit it, yeah, go about. Desire to get to higher. Life it's an open road, Life it's a subject, ain't not an object, ain't full control.